What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be working on a Kia Optima K5. It's a little bit late in the evening right now because I went through an hour of traffic jam during the rush hour just to get the car back home. The car is not looking pretty because the car has been parked in an outdoor parking for close to 4 months due to the lockdown, and it's not really looking pretty. You got rain stains, and we got I think it's bird shit and tree sap, so it's not looking particularly nice with lots of contaminations everywhere. So I'm going to try to remove all these contaminations, and because I'm starting a bit late in the evening, so I'm going to work a little bit faster so that I still got sunlight to show you guys the finishing, and hopefully everything goes smooth. And make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and comment in the comment section below if you got any questions, and I'll see you guys at the end.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights. Lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now we high, high, high. Kaleidoscope of colors beaming from our eyes. Would've thought was LSD, LSD. Can't lose my mind like Kennedy, Kennedy. You see us cooking recipes, recipes. You hit the top, all you left with is the memories. Yeah, 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 yeah. Some fake, then who gon' hurt this? I naughty night, you lullaby. I'm doing me, it's do or die. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights.
Yo guys, so I have completed the Kia Optima K5, and apparently on the bonnet itself, the allegedly suspected to be kind of staining was not bird dropping stains, but instead it was tree sap stains, which is pretty common because from my understanding this car is always parked under the tree, so staining from tree saps is pretty common. and it's not the first time I removed these kind of stains from this car. So basically what I did was I removed all the stains, removed the tar spots, removed the iron particles, and whatever contamination that was on the paint I removed. And as for the 3-step stains, it was easily removed during the clay bar process because of the car being coated. So coating really did a superb job in protecting the paint this round. And as a finishing step, I actually layered a layer of wax, a canal bar wax, and that is the end actually. So I'm going to head out to send the car back to my client's place. So I guess that's the end of the video. So make sure you guys like, share, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button for post notifications, and comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. And I will see you guys at the next video.